Holy crap, what an earthquake. Welcome to the Emergency News Network. Just a few minutes ago, a massive earthquake occurred in the city of Los Angeles. People are guessing that the earthquake had a magnitude of an 8 or above, but nothing can be confirmed right now. Only 4 people were reported dead. The survivors and many other people are now at the beach, celebrating that they survived this nightmare earthquake. I'm planning to head there myself, but I have to stay here keeping you all updated. Good thing that I can leave work in 2 hours to enjoy it. My boss was able to cut my time so I can spend time at the beach, celebrating that we survived one of the biggest earthquakes ever recorded. So yeah, it was a bad day earlier, but now it's a great day. The best part is, it's sunny skies. Okay, that's all for now. Stay safe everyone. Welcome back to the Emergency News Network. The earthquake has been confirmed to be an 8.2 earthquake. Wow, what an earthquake that was. The most concerning thing is, the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center might have detected a tsunami formed, but this is not confirmed at this time. People are still at the beach, celebrating that they survived the earthquake. However, due to the tsunami watch that has been put into effect for the entire Pacific coastline until further notice, this party won't be lasting all day as planned. We should have known a tsunami would be the outcomes of this awful earthquake, as well as a few aftershocks that occurred sometime after the earthquake. While nothing is really confirmed at this time, you are advised to do 3 of the following. Prepare for a possible tsunami by following the instructions that will be given in the next 10 minutes, or just stick with your daily routine, or spend your time at the beach while you still can. So yeah, that's all for now. Stay tuned and stay safe. Tsunami warning for the entire Pacific coastline until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center. A tsunami has formed due to the earthquake that occurred 2 hours ago. This tsunami is 1 mile tall, and is moving around 20 miles per hour. This tsunami is confirmed to strike the state of California, and all of the state will be completely destroyed when the wave impacts. There will be no way of surviving this wave, so all residents in the state of California are ordered to evacuate the state immediately. This is required to survive this cataclysm. If you choose not to, you are putting your life in extreme danger, and death is pretty much confirmed. For more information about this tsunami, go to the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center website after you evacuate. This tsunami is expected to strike the state of California within the next 1 or 2 hours. This could change at any time, so do not wait. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this dangerous situation. Tsunami warning remains in effect until further notice. The massive tsunami reported 90 minutes ago has struck the state of California, and has caused massive destruction to the state. People who didn't evacuate the state died. There were no survivors reported at this time. However, this is subject to change, but it's very unlikely that survivors will be reported. Many people were on the beach when the warning was broadcasted, but they were not able to receive the alert. As a result, these people were crushed by the tsunami without any time to escape. Due to this tsunami impacting the state of California and even some surrounding states, residents who have evacuated are being ordered not to go back home, as there is literally no home to go back to. The following states were impacted by the tsunami and might not ever be recovered: California, Oregon, Arizona, and Washington. These states have been impacted by the wave and might not be able to be recovered. The United States might have 46 states now. This was a very bad day for a lot of people. This station will now cease transmission. Tune to other news stations for more information on this cataclysm.